Hello folks, this is Sylvia Glass commentating here today in the gold match in Long Beach where the United States competes in the finals against Spain. As the game begins, Spain tosses the first serve up into the air. As he tosses it up in an arc formation, the ball goes straight over his head until his hand acts on it, making it go over the net. This is stated by inertia. The ball remains in uniform motion in its arc until an outside force, your hand, acts on it making it travel over the net. Right before you see this nasty smackdown, the player jumps using Newton's third law. The force exerted by the player's feet downwards is countered by an opposing, upwards force exerted by the floor. The athlete is able to leap off the floor and hit the ball down because of the force from the floor pushing on his feet. As the players scramble over the court, you can see that they can almost cover the entire arena. The athletes can do this because of Newton's second law. The low mass of the players allow each of them to be agile, able to accelerate and decelerate quicker than an athlete who maintains a higher mass. In other words, ladies and gentlemen, not as much force is needed to move the smaller player around. As we find the champions here today to be the United States, that concludes the 2013 Men's Beach Volleyball Olympics. And that is all from me folks, reporting from Long Beach. This is Sylvia Glass signing off.